How to enable picture-in-picture for any Android app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable picture-in-picture or PIP for any Android app. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to enable picture-in-picture, you must first grant permission in your phone's settings under special app access. So for that, locate your settings. On your settings, you'll need to head over to apps. After you're on your apps, search for a specific app. So find the app here, tap on see all apps. Now search for app. So I'll just search for YouTube. Tap on the app that you want. And under here, you'll find an advanced settings section. Head over to picture-in-picture. Now, not all apps will have the settings, so keep that in mind. And enable this allow picture-in-picture. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.